I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.
You know, like your yellow fever thing.
What accident thing is?
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah.
So they just said no, because that's where they will write no la. Imane, Vanavakwela and everything. But every year
You must update.
it's updated in 10. So as a result, remember the Kunibuya, of course, ni sabas bar renew, but they need 10 rand to do that. So Kurna Derela Dereli is neither here nor there.
10 rand you can afford.
10 rand I can afford.
And
Remember she's sola hosi, usola usuki.
Oh.
So if they think Wadelela, they won't keep you here. They'll say, no, in Alzheimer, and Famala Polo Mangata, Samakon, you see. Yeah, as long as in Samala, you are obliged. Kurnola Unubuya, the final way, the Whaley, the corner, the William Tarinua, she's sola hosi, sola usuki. In other words, you can't just pick a Samalaka Mshaba who knows him Shaba in that. But I can say, Kurino, I know in the Kurino. It's okay. So when somebody says no, I'm on.
But it was crippling to us. Imagine, search Baronesia and wash all the text, never make contributor as mood.
Yeah.
A central government.
Yeah. And remember, by that time, very little went to central government. Here, Kazankulu. Because Hala Juni,
40 seconds left.
here kwa alawan.
Or you go central.
Here yago central. But here yago 10 rand. Maybe 2 rand is sala kawosini. 8 rand you know.
Please back on.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.